Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have a new listing. This is mid-rise residential condominium. Letter of intent. So, letter of intent pata guys, meaning you are just allowed to have a letter of intent. Ang gusto ni developer, mohatag lang mong cheque, walay pizza, at least 30,000, no? Walay pizza. So, wala pa na siya kuan. So, in front of St. Louis College, Cebu, in Mandawi City, in Sudlon, Magikay, Mandawi City. So, this is the drone video, guys, no? This is the St. Louis. Nindot kayo ni, kaya tubangan yung eskwelahan. Kompleto man college, elementary, and high school. So, very nice, no? Sudlon, Magikay, Mandawi City. So, this is still, kanang wala pa yun, basta condominium, guys, makabarato pa yun ta, no? Basta napas gitawag og LOI or pre-selling stage. Mao ni ang kuano, 8 story na siya. Then from here, from this location to airport, minutes drive ra guys, dool ra. Then highway, pwede ra lakawon nimo. It's very close from National Highway. More or less mga panington sa kaglakaw, mga 500 to 800, 700 siguro meters. Daghan sang mga sikad-sikad o tricycad or you can have your own car. So mao ni siya ang St. Louis, no. Nindot kay ning eskwelahan sad. Kung maka-own ka na kay plano, mga children or investment, this is really good investment. Nindot ni sa rental sad, no. Paabangan lang nimo. Foreigners can own this condominium. Imagine it's building. So the foreigners are allowed to own building. Basta dili na Pilipino, you are allowed to own the building. So mo ni ang location, guys. The total is 1,800 square meters ang lot area ni. Nindot na kay ni. At least, no, in front of St. Louis College. Dili na kaigo na lang mo tabok diretso from the condo. So diretso na ka, no. Pwede sa opisina na may uban na mag-office. So very close from Pacific Mall na, no. Mao sa nay naka-advantage ani kung natay condominium, no. And this is the model unit, guys. Mao na siya na. Just contact my number, no. Kini apil na siya, no, countertop, no, kana siya. Kanang cabinet, it's included. Gitawag ni finish unit. So pero kanang semi mirror is not allowed, no. It's not included. So only this CR, then kuan kana. So mao nay maapil sa pagbaligya, guys. So that's included to the ceiling. Okay, you can Google St. Louis College. Makita nimo asa na dapita tungora. So you can have your imagination kung angay ba nimo paliton o dili. Okay, again, letter of intent. So nindot na kay ni kay napata sa stage, mumahal pa ni in the future, no. So basic na to nga area is 22 square meters up to 30 square meters. Then mo na the price range is 2.9 to pataas na. So mga 3.2 including the charges. Okay, thank you.